Fox 12 is your school authority, and today marks the first day back for many students in Beaverton. It's a new reality, getting to learn inside the classroom once again, but still very much in a pandemic with a number of new safety and health protocols in place. Fox 12's Sarah HURWITZ joins us now live with how the Beaverton School District is handling these COVID procedures. Sarah?
Well, hey, Bonnie, it was a big day for students in the Beaverton School District. And we know as a parent, you may have a number of concerns as your child does return to school in the pandemic. But we've learned that schools have a lot of systems in place if there is a positive COVID case. School buses, welcome back signs, and face-to-face interaction.
What are you looking forward to?
Making new friends because I'm new to this school.
The focus this year is to make sure that kids are happy and delighted to come to school every day. And our roles as all the educators on the staff is to welcome them, make sure they're safe, learning, and happy as can be.
Kids now returning to the classroom after more than a year of virtual learning, but still in a pandemic. Every school district is now tasked with a new set of challenges, health and safety protocols.
What's interesting is some of this change in practice has really had us think about what we were doing before and how we should have been doing this all along.
Danielle Hudson is the executive administrator for student services in the Beaverton School District. She broke down how it works if there's a positive case in its schools.
The student coughs or is demonstrating any COVID-19 symptoms, they would be sent down to the health room where they'll be isolated from other individual students.
Hudson says the student can take a rapid COVID test right there at school. She says if they test positive, they're sent home and must isolate for 10 days before they can return to school. The district nurse and county health department, she says, work together to do contact tracing, and what happens next depends on vaccination status. Hudson says if students exposed to that positive case are unvaccinated, they would need to quarantine for 10 days. If they are vaccinated and are not displaying symptoms, Hudson says the students do not need to quarantine. That also applies for teachers and staff. And in the middle of a surge, I asked her what the threshold is to shut down schools if there are too many COVID outbreaks. She says right now there's no direct guidance, and there are key questions to evaluate on a case-by-case basis.
Are the positive cases because of community spread, or are students and staff becoming infected because of being in school?
And another important tool that the district is using, it is opting into a free weekly testing program through OHSU. That's where parents can opt into this program to get their child tested. Reporting live here in Beaverton tonight, Sarah HURWITZ, Fox 12 Oregon.